Well, I'm working on a 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, and I'm trying to hook up stereo, and all the wires are hooked up right. It looks like it's going good, but there's no sound, and it's just pissing me off because I'm over here trying to figure it out. Turns out, the only thing that's stopping this from working is a factory amp, which no one seems to know how to hook up or bypass without just completely rerouting all the wires. So it turns out, if you take the power wire and your power antenna, and you hook the antenna up with your power wire, you get stereo with the factory amp and the Jeeps. Every other vehicle I've owned, I've never had this issue, but Chrysler. So there you go. If you have a Jeep, or you have a Chrysler, or you have a Dodge, whatever, if you hook up a aftermarket stereo and it's having an issue, just take the power antenna, which is a blue wire, it's a dark blue wire, and hook it up to the red wire, the accessory wire, and your problem will be solved, and you'll get some music to your stereo.